Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another Princess Polly try on haul. I know how much you guys love these videos. So for today's try on haul, I thought I would do something a bit different and try some trends that are circulating around Instagram, around the world, that I personally don't think suit me. Like, I did pick some pieces that I saw on the website that I absolutely loved and I had to get, but some outfits I've specifically chosen because they are on trend and I've seen so many people wear them, and I just am curious to see what you guys think about those trends and if they actually suit me. So Princess Polly again have given me a discount code to share with you guys for 20% off. I'll leave the code on the screen and I'll leave all the information down below as always, and I'll link all the items as well as the sizes, but I'll make sure I mention what sizes I am in all the pieces anyway. So let's get started. So this set I just absolutely loved. I have been seeing a lot of matching bandeau like tracksuit sets everywhere, but I just love this. I personally would wear something like this, and I love that the bandeau is the same material as the tracksuit. So I ended up getting a size 10 and it's like pretty true to size. It's quite fitted. You could obviously just wear it like this. So these are the shorts. Like I said, I did get a size 10 in the whole outfit. You can't actually pick like specific sizes in like the jacket or the shorts. It all comes in a set, and I got a size 10 that fits really well. I actually love these so much. And then you can zip it down. I probably would wear it like this off the shoulder. I kind of really like that. It's not see-through. I'm not wearing a bra or anything underneath. It's just really cute. I love this look, and I actually did get another set that's similar to this, or I think it's a knit, and you do also get the bandeau underneath it. But I love this trend right now. So that's the first outfit that I picked out. I also did get a like knit with the matching bandeau underneath it as well, because I don't know, I just really like the look of this. So I tried it on. I did get this one in a size medium to large because I did want that slouchy oversized look, but I'll show you guys what this looks like. I have a feeling that this might be a bit, oh, actually it looks all right. Could be a bit loose around my bust, but we'll see how it looks. So I'll try this one on. Okay, next top, I love this set. So I was worried that this would be a little bit gapey or too big because it is a medium to large, but I actually really love the fit of it. It's not too loose. It's actually quite fitted for a medium to large. I actually really like it. And then this is the knit that comes with it. I don't know if I would do it up or leave it unbuttoned, because you can obviously do it up and then have that peeping through. You could even wear this knit on its own, but I think I love this look better. So I'm a fan of this. I absolutely love it. The jeans. I don't know why I got a small. I think I ordered a 10 in these, but maybe a 10 is a small to them technically. I'm not sure. But as you can see, it's just, you can't really tell. It's just on me, it just feels too tight for a pair of jeans. And here, it's tight, but these are sick. I love these so much. I'm definitely gonna take them back and get a medium. I love them. They're so different, so cool. They're by the brand Lioness, and usually Lioness fit, like jeans fit me really well, but yeah, I just would prefer a little bit more room, I think, around my legs, just because as you can see, they're like a little bit tight, but I'm definitely returning these for a medium. These are amazing jeans, and I love the flare look. I'm obsessed. That's what the back looks like. Side. So cool. Okay, next two items. This is the comfiest crop. I love their basic crops on their website. So this is just a gray, like a mild gray. It's actually really soft. I feel like I don't have this material style in my collection, but I'm obsessed with Princess Polly crops. I have so many of them in my wardrobe, and I don't have this gray one, so I feel like I would get a lot of use out of these. I also wear these kinds of crops to the gym, like over the top of my bras, like my gym bras, crop tops, gym crops. Yeah, they're really cute. It's like a cotton sort of material, and I paired them with the new Jagger & Stone trackies from their new collection. They are so comfy, and I just love like the oversized look. So I did end up getting a 10, and that is like the perfect oversized look for me. That's what they look like. The color is amazing. It's got on this side Jagger and Stone, but yeah, they're just like a really nice, comfy, oversized fit. So cute. I actually love this outfit together. I've been wearing the most casual clothes whenever I go, even like out to dinner or out to lunch. Like I feel like I would wear this to lunch. Like I just love this look at the moment. But yeah, for these two items, I just picked them up because I absolutely love them. They're not really like stuff that you wear on trend, but I guess wearing trackies is kind of normal now to wear outside of the house with a cool top. So I guess it is something on trend at the moment. I personally have always worn trackies at the house, even when it was cool to wear trackies in a crop. But yeah, that's just me. I'm all about comfort and casual vibes. So let me know in the comments what trend you're liking at the moment and what trend you're not liking at the moment, because yeah, I'm really intrigued to what you guys are thinking, but I personally love the trackie look at the moment. I wear it with a crossbody bag, with some sneakers, and I'm out the door. Absolutely love, and I love the fit of both of these pieces too. So I literally bought these to wear underneath some shorts so they pop through. Firstly, these are the Sublime. They're just like, as you could see, they were like booty shorts. But I basically got it to pair with these so that these pop out the top. Not gonna lie, I actually like it. This is probably one of the outfits I was like, nah, this is not gonna suit me. Like, I get the style. I feel like there's so many people rocking this, and I was like, when I added it to my cart, I was like, I feel like I'm just gonna do this for the haul and probably never wear it again. I actually get why people do it. So this like sucks you in at the waist. It gives your waist an illusion. Like, wow, I actually love it. It's kind of like, you know, when you wear like really high-waisted compressive underwear underneath like a dress or a skirt, and you're like, okay. It's kind of like that with these. So these like knee-length trackies, I'm just gonna call them trackies because they literally like feel like trackies, but they're just short. This is cool. I like it. Like, I actually think I like it on me. Like I said before, I feel like this is one of the outfits that I didn't think I could pull off, but I actually really like the trend. I did end up getting a size 10 in the, the short trackies. They're not actually called that, but I'm just gonna call them that. That's a vibe. And I love it with this crop as well. Guys, this is my favorite outfit. I'm obsessed. So this next outfit, I personally love the top. I feel like it's not really a trend top at the moment, but I've seen these trousers, like the leather look trousers, everywhere, and I was like, oh, I don't know, I love brown. I love chocolate brown, but I just didn't think that this style would suit, but I love them. I actually can't wait to wear this outfit. I feel like this is like the next date night outfit. I actually even brought my bag because I was so excited about this outfit. How cute is it? Put that down now. So this is just like a cropped cami. It's really cute. I got this in a size 10. So that's what the back looks like. You'll be able to see it in the mirror as well. Really, really nice. I didn't think that this would actually fit my boobs. I was gonna go a 12, but I'm actually really glad that I didn't. I feel like it's the perfect fit, and I've got double Ds. And then these, like, what's the style called? Will they gather here? I don't know. I'll leave a picture of what the model looks like and maybe even the name of the pants. But they are so true to size, really comfortable, not tight on the legs at all. They like flare out a little bit on the ankles, but not too much. You can see in the mirror. Oh, that's what they look like. So they would look really nice paired with some black heels, I feel. But yeah, this is a vibe. I love this color combo, cream and brown. Oh, this is definitely my favorite outfit so far, I think. How cute are these, by the way? They're Kids Cloud coat hangers from Big W. Very on brand. Yeah, this set is really cute. I feel like I should have gone a 12 though. This is a 10. It's just very fitted, and I'm just not really used to wearing stuff that's super, super tight. I don't know. I would just always prefer to be comfy because it is quite a casual vibe set. But in saying that, I do like that it is a bit fitted. So it comes in a 2-piece set. I love the sleeves on the crop. The crop is like fitted for a 10, I guess. So it's not like a, I guess it is like flowy, but it's not like super loose. I'll show you guys what the skirt looks like. So that's the skirt. It's got an elastic waistband. So that's why I was thinking, I reckon a 12 might be a little bit more comfier. Oh, the more I'm like wearing it, the more I kind of like the fit. Anyways, that's the skirt. It's got a slit down one side, and this is just really cute together. I feel like this sort of outfit could be worn casually or dressed up with heels. So yeah, that is the next set that I picked up. And then, oh, I forgot I got this. This is a bodysuit. I love this so much. Actually, I'm gonna go grab a pair of Princess Polly jeans that I absolutely love to pair with this because I've already tried on the tie-dye ones. I've got another pair that I think they still would have on the website, so I'll go grab them and try this top with it on. Dead, dead, dead. I love this top so much. It was a little bit of a struggle without Peter here doing the zip up because it weirdly like zipped up from the bottom of this bodysuit. I was gonna say jumpsuit. Yeah, wow. I think this is my favorite outfit. I just went and got some of my sunnies as well and a bag. I'm obsessed with this top. It's so nice. I love the puffy sleeves. And also these are the jeans that I got last time. I'm obsessed with them. I've been wearing them literally non-stop. So they're the, what's it called? Asymmetrical jeans. I'm not sure if they're still on the website, but they're incredible. I'll zoom you guys down. This was a trend that I wasn't sure about, but I ended up getting them last haul and I love them so much. I've actually washed them a few times, so they are a little bit tighter. All jeans really do that when you wash them, and then as you wear them throughout the day, they do get a little bit more roomier. So they're like mum jean at the end. Oh yeah, I've got the shoes on as well. They're so cute. And then they're just quite relaxed slash fitted around the waist, and they actually fit me like without a gaping waistband, which I struggle to find in jeans because I have thicker legs and a smaller waist. But I love this outfit so much. Look at the shoes. I'm dead. Yeah, I think I'm definitely a fan. I love them with this outfit. They're like a really gorgeous pastel pink. Look at them. I'll be wearing them for sure. I also got a set of three hair clips. So the cream one that I just dropped on the floor, the blue and the pink. I'll show you guys how I do my hair. I've actually gotten DMs before on how I clip my hair up. So basically, I just go like this. I put 2 strands of hair out first, and then I just twist it around like that, and then hold it there, and then clip it. Is that cute? I can't even see it from the back. But that's pretty much how I wear my clips. So I also got them from Princess Polly, so I thought I would quickly mention that. And then this set is so cute. It's actually really soft as well. I'll just zoom you guys down. So this is the set. I feel like Clueless vibes if I wear these shoes. I feel like this is more of like a costumey type outfit. I don't think I would actually wear it with the shoes, but this is really cute. I love this. I love this jumper as well, like just to wear with like anything, jeans or any sort of bottom, but it also looks really cute together as well. So yeah, I've actually seen lots of sets like this checkered print. So I thought I'll pick it up. It's not something that I would usually pick or buy or wear, but I'm a fan. I love it. I love the yellow. And I love the print. Fits really well. I ended up getting a size 10 in this set as well. So that's the last set. And then I've just got one more jumper to go. Okay, last but not least, I had to get this crew neck jumper. I'm obsessed with crew necks, as you probably already know. I ended up getting this one in a size 8 actually. So normally when I'm shopping for jumpers, I always love the oversized look. But on the model, the 8 looked massive on her. So I'm actually really glad that I did end up getting an 8. I probably could have gotten a 10 as well, but I just ended up getting an 8. So it is a little bit more fitted like around this waistband area, I guess. Is there makeup on it? Oh my God, I need help. Anyways, this one's really, really soft. Like even the outside's soft and the inside's like fleecy. I love the color. I love how like I just got lazy hanging everything up after I'd tried it on. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up this time around on Princess Polly. If you're new here, Princess Polly is one of my favorite online stores. They are just amazing. I love their styles. They fit really well, the quality is amazing, and they ship super, super fast. I remember like a year ago, I really wanted this top, and I ordered it like first thing in the morning, and it literally arrived the same day, if not like the morning after. Like it was super quick. Like their shipping is amazing. Yeah, like I said, one of my favorite, or if not probably my favorite online store for clothes. I feel like 90% of my wardrobe is Princess Polly. I just absolutely adore them. So I will leave my code on the screen if you guys want to check them out. They also do have heaps of really cute accessories, shoes. I get my New Balance shoes from there as well. I always get asked. Yeah, accessories, they've got makeup on there, skincare, they've got heaps of cool stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.